Alright guys, so welcome to Tech Space on XDN Ghana, and today I'm going to show you a very simple trick that you can do on your MacBook. I'm very much aware probably it hasn't crossed your mind, okay? So it's very simple. Mostly you would want to convert image sizes because the ones you have on your machine are very huge. So with most of iPhone images or Apple images and also files, they turn out to be big. So if you want to convert the image, probably reduce it, then you are going to use this simple trick. You do it right on the Apple machine. You don't need to go to any website to resize and have your important documents online through some of these software. So you just do it right here on the MacBook, and I'm going to show you that. But before then, do subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell icon to receive alerts whenever we post. We'll get right into it. Okay, you just select any picture. I'm going to use this image, which is 1.5 megabytes. That's the image of myself, and you just right click on it, then you come to quick actions. Okay, so from quick actions you will see list of rotate left, markup, create PDF, convert image, remove background. These are quite some easy actions that you can do on your MacBook. Okay, these are quite some easy quick actions that you can just do, and you wouldn't have to hassle through it. So we'll just go right away to convert image. Then you will have this, the format is JPEG. Okay, so if it has any, you don't want probably a background to be in it, then you are going to go with the PNG format. Okay, when sometimes you are using logos and what have you, you can just stick to the PNG. You will do the reduction at the image size. Okay, so I'll still leave this at JPEG. Then with the image size, you can then reduce to probably say medium or small. So let's do medium. Then you preserve metadata and convert to JPEG. Okay, so with the medium, we are having 73 kilobytes, okay, as compared to the 1.5 megabytes which was there. And if you check, okay, the quality is quite good as well. So yes, this is very simple. This is the easiest way for you to achieve this, and I bet you didn't know.